Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Reliance and what is expected from the market tomorrow. So let's start with Nifty. So what we said is there should be a good gap up and then market take a dip and reversal. But this was not a good reversal to do it. So it was not a gap up also, good gap up also. Market did not open a good gap up. So that our case is invalid. So, but we had to wait for a price action to take a trade. So, market gave a dip and then reversal here and took a entry, similar to what happened yesterday. Market took a dip and then reversal here, and market gave 100 points. Similarly, here it gave a dip and reversal, but came and hit a SL after some time. So that ends our day for the trade. So it was SL day for Nifty, and market really rallied down and then close to the below, very much below actually. So this was not expected. So when everything is green, so obviously market will take the other side of the market. So it is like that. So it is okay because it was consistently going up. So it was supposed to, if you look at 1 hour, you can see market has been rallying for a long time, like at least 4 5 days. One dip is definitely required. So this was a day that it did that too. We could not predict this one. It's okay. So what can we expect tomorrow? So tomorrow expiry. So we let's keep it again simple only. We'll not complicate. The first thing is if market break this swing high, we can go for long actually. So 100 points definitely market can go up if it breaks this high. This swing high may go up. If it is a gap down, we can wait for at least for 30 minutes so that it should break the support it has created. It should break. It should create a support, bounce, and then break again. Then we can go for the trade for short so that we can get 100 points. So this is the trade for downside. And if it is stuck in between this range, probably market on the expiry may completely spend the time in this range. Then may give a breakout at the end of the day so that it may rally further down or up. So we need to really see how is it going to be like. So let's see, the box could be like this actually. Box could be like this. In this range, it might keep going up and down and then come on break down and then go down. So this is what I could see it. So three trades that are possible. If it is breaking this in the initial period gap up and above 100 points, market will rally up. If it is gap down and wait for to bounce and then after some time it should break the support that it has created so that we can go for short. Third scenario is market may spend this in this sideways region for at least for first half and then break either of the sides so that the trade could be possible accordingly. So these are the three trades that are possible for Nifty tomorrow. So this is what I have captured in the slide. So we expected gap up long after dip and reversal, but market did not open. It opened really flat and did not give the setup as per plan. So trader with low quantity for the upside, market gave it a SL. It is expected. So, but that's the reason trader with the low quantity. Tomorrow, as I said, gap up about 22,100 is it should open and break this swing so that we can go for 100 points for long. And gap down should create a support below 22,000 and break the support so that we can go for short entry short so that we can get 100 points. And flat may remain in the range and then on the breakout we can go for the trade accordingly. These are the three trades that I discussed in the slide, in the chart. So let's look at Bank Nifty. So I think what we discussed yesterday was a good thing. So about we said the market is inside is trying to create a what do you say channel. So it is at the top of the channel. So we wanted at least 1 hour to wait so that it can it should be seen like whether it is going to break or wait. So market it was in the range only. So if you look at in the shorter time frame, 30 minutes it is was in the range. So market did not give any entry and then it remained really in the range. So we could not trade much for this one. But if your option seller could have taken this range for the entry for the sideways range. So yeah, that is for expiry. Tomorrow, coming tomorrow, like it is now in the box, double top has been created. So if it breaks tomorrow, like we have to wait for at least for 30 minutes, so that if it breaks and gives the target right away by gap down, we can't help. But if market gap up opening and then kind of breaking it in 30 minutes, so go for a shot. This is the target we have it. So this we can expect some 400 points we can expect, provided the market should gap up and then in 30 minutes candle should come and close below this actually. So if it closes below like 46935, if it closes 30-minute candle, we can go for short entry. We can expect 400 points coming down for this one, or breaking upside on the top, so that we can go for long. So these are the two scenarios we have it. Otherwise market will be stuck in this sideways region if the Nifty is in the range again. So this is about Nifty. We have two trades. One 30 minutes breaking this one. Wait for 30 minutes so that red candle is below, closing below this one, so that we have a target here. Or if it is breaking top at the top for 30 minutes, then we can go for a long. So these are the two trades that we have it. Coming to Reliance, what we said is like it is in the range of shorter, smaller range. So we have to see market which side it breaks. So it broke this one. We gave entry here and definitely gave 20 points from here. So this was a trade that was discussed yesterday. Probably like you could have waited here. I was telling that this there is a one more trend line coming in. So we have to see whether it is going to break or not. I think if you are taking the risk, probably it gave target also. It is but it was a risky trade. I could say it. Then it came inside and then it rallied in inside the range only. So if you look at the little bit higher time frame, so market is in range again. It is stuck in the range for now. So until it breaks the range, we may not get trending market for lens. So this is about Reliance. So, but anyhow, if it closes above this one, we can expect again market going up actually. Market may go again. If it breaks this swing at the top, we can expect market going up again. Or it has to break this box so that the market can go down. So these are the two trades that are possible thing, but it is not indecisive right now. So better wait for the market to take it call. To take thing. If you look at the candle, also it's not a great candle. If you see that it is a clearly a spinning top, it is in the range totally one, two, three, four, five candles in the range. So until it breaks this range, so it is we may need to wait for the market to take a side so that we can trade accordingly. See, it's continually it is been in the sideways range. So if it breaks, probably we can expect another 12, 30, 40 points coming down. Otherwise, yeah, market is stuck in the range. Very simple. So coming to probably what I could see is that this is again trying to form a wedge actually. So the trade could be already entries. If somebody's taken the short entry, they should be coming till here actually. This is what the once it breaks this today's low or like this low, right? Whatever the low we are talking about, 2909. If it breaks this one, we can expect the target at 2874. So we can expect 20 points coming down for this one if it breaks this low actually. So this is about Reliance. So hope you could see the value of this trade. You can like the video. If you see the analysis worth, and then can leave a comment. Also subscribe to this video if you're not done so. Thanks for watching this video.